my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Princess, and today we are going to make a floor lamp. Y'all, we are going to do this with some Dollar Tree products, some mirrored tiles, and some Subway tiles that I did get from dieflart.com. So we are going to use our boxes, y'all. These are some old boxes, and these boxes are so old that I got them from Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I used them in previous DIYs. That other box is an old box as well, so we're gonna use that. I bet y'all like, girl, I want to see this because you using stuff that y'all don't. Never mind. But also I'm using this long it's a lamp that I got from, y'all, I got stuff everywhere, so because I'm redoing my house, y'all, but when I get through it's gonna be pretty. So this is a lamp that I got from Walmart like a long time ago, and this is the lamp shade to it. So y'all, let's get started with this, and I hope it turns out the way that I have in my brain. Let's get started, y'all. Okay, Glam fam, so the first thing we're gonna do is take these boxes, and they are raggedy, y'all, but I'm gonna put holes in all of these boxes. And I know I've seen people put holes in them and they just make it so neat, but I don't see the point because you're not gonna see the holes anyway. So this is how it should look, you know, on the inside. It doesn't matter, like I said, I'm not bothered as long as it's wide enough to do what I want done. So that's all that matters. my daughter, and that's my assistant. Thank you. I'm just going to go ahead and keep gluing the parts together so that I can go all the way up. I think I'm gonna have to cut that piece off, the cardboard piece off of there, but otherwise it's looking okay. But we've got to do the bottom base because it looks a hot mess, y'all. So we're going to use our glue to place this on top. And on the edges, we're going to use some of our wrap to go around the edges of the square. Okay, Glam fam, so I'm going to go ahead and go around the edges of the square, and I'm going to put some of our bling wrap around it to finish the look so that it can be extra cute. Then I'm going to put an LED light in here, and I'm going to show you all how this looks in the full, you know, just the full look of everything. Okay, Glam fam, so these are my famous tiles, y'all. So don't forget, in 5 days, we got that giveaway on the 10th, y'all. So let me just say, if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this, oh God? Why you let me find her like this, oh God?